Hey guys, today we're going to play on Roblox right now. In last video, Roblox just removed the old Roblox death sound. But do you know how do you get the old Roblox death sound back? Do you know how to get it back? To get it back, you might need a PC. If you're on the PC, first go on any website you want. After that, search a old Roblox death sound, download oldroblox sound and go on it. If you do it, then click on download. When it's download done, confirm this problem. If you switch it in with a file, does nothing. It does not change. If you try to, it does not work. Roblox just changed the sound format to MP3 format to OGG format. Make it MP3 to OGG. If you do that, then put it into the folder, the OGG file. It should completely work. Close Roblox file and open Roblox player. If you want to hear this, and go here, join your place, and try getting the old oof sound back. So first, now click on the creation tab. And go and join into your place and then try doing it. So this takes a long time to join my place. So we are just going to join my place and then try to reset the character. So into this place. So here, first I have to wait until my character loads. Let's see what that is. It should have it. It works. Two more problems. First problem is if you update your every week, it does not work on mobile. On the mobile, you can't really access the files or pretty. So that's it. Bye.